All right, boys and girls, we are working on another standard. We are out of NBT 2 and we are working on NBT 5. So this standard is GSE 5 NBT 5. Oh, sorry. Sorry, got butterfingers. GSE stands for Georgia Standard of Excellence. 5 represents 5th grade. NBT is a domain known as operations at base 10, and the 5 represents the 5th standard in this domain. You're probably thinking, how are we going to go from NBT 1, NBT 2, and then jump to NBT 5? Remember, boys and girls, we are just working in the unit. I am placing videos up by units. After a while, you guys will be like, all right, NBT 5, that's in unit 1. NBT 1 is in unit 1. It'll all just be programmed into your head and you'll be popping off standards like it's nothing. All right. So this standard, we are beginning the foundation of learning about multiplication, the standard algorithm. So fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Parents, a lot of parents love to say that new math, that Common Core, they don't even do multiplication the way that we used to do it. In this standard, it says standard algorithm. Look at there. Look at there. Common Core is not bad. It is awesome. We are still teaching your students, your kids, the standard algorithm. But this extra part right here in red, or other strategies demonstrating understanding of multiplication up to a 3-digit by 2-digit factor. So we're going to start off a little small. We're going to multiply by 1-digit numbers. That's our lesson objective. We're going to have 2-digit by 1-digit and 3-digit by 1-digit, okay? Then we're going to move up to 3-digit by 2 digits and 2-digit by 2 digits. And for a little challenge, I'm going to push the kids up to 4-digit by 2 digits and 4-digit by 3 digits. We are really going to know how to multiply, all right? So we're going to focus on the strategy Mom, Dad, wait for it. Standard algorithm. Yeah! It's going to be awesome, I promise. Now, let's move on. Let's just start with a quick review, okay? Product. What is your product? Well, in multiplication, your product is your answer. The result when two numbers are multiplied together. For example, we have 7 times 9. 7 and 9 are our factors. We multiply those two factors together and get a product. 63. 63 is your product. Now, also remember this. Multiplication is just repeated addition. Repeated addition. That's like saying 7 times 9. 7 plus 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 7 equals 63. But really, hashtag TBH. To be honest, who wants to waste time and add all of those 7s up? I mean, really. Who wants to waste all that time? Who wants to do repeated addition? Especially in 5th grade. The math is like this coming at you. You have to get on the ball and know to multiply. And I'm going to help you to fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers. Let's go. So what we have here is place value chart. Yes, a place value chart. we have the problem, 378 times 6. So please have your math journal out with your video response sheet. Go ahead and copy down this problem. These are the steps, and see the ones place is highlighted, then the tens place is highlighted, then the 100s place is highlighted. Then you find out what 378 times 6 is. But I'm going to write it all nice and big over here. I'm going to put the 3 in one color, the 7 another color. Then I'm going to put the 8 in another color. But I'm going to put the factors are going to multiply 378 by in black. Now, what's here is over here. I just placed each place value in a different color. To be precise, let me go ahead and change the color of this 6 to purple, because it's also in the ones place value. Now, what you have to do with multiplying, and this, boys and girls, is a standard algorithm. This is what Mom and Dad and Miss Davis used growing up when they were in school to multiply multi-digit whole numbers. So we have 378 times 6. I lined up my numbers by place value. As you can see in our place value chart, the 8 and the 6 are both in the ones place. That is why I changed that black 6 to a purple 6, because the 6 in the ones place and the 8 is also in the ones place. Now we're going to multiply. Well, what is 6 times 8? 6 times 8 is 48. So I'm going to put plus 4 here and put the 8 down here. 48. Now I'm going to take this 6 and multiply 6 by 8. Now I'm going to multiply 6 by 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 4. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I'm going to place my 6 here and put plus 4 up here. Now I multiply my 6 by my 1s, by my 10s. Now I'm going to multiply the 6 by the 3, which is in the hundreds place. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. I am going to write 22 down here. You're probably thinking, well, Miss Davis, when you have multiplied 6 times 8, you put the 8 from 48 down here and place the 4 up here. Well, the reason why I did that, because I had to carry over to my next place value. I still had numbers I needed to multiply by the 6 by other place values. But because I multiplied my 6 by my 3, and the 3 is my last number that I have to multiply within my problem, I can take that 22 and place it down here, and that lets me know that I am done multiplying. There is nothing else over here for me to carry this over and multiply. There is nothing else for 6 to multiply by. There is nothing here. So I cannot take the 2 here and put the 2 down here and do 6 times, there's nothing there. So, our product is 2,268. 2,268. Boom. Not bad, I'm telling you. So, you guys are going to, we're going to do an I, this is me, I do, you watch me. We do this together. You do, yes, you do, all by yourself. That's all you. So, pause the video, copy all of this down, and then you can go ahead and, if you're just confident, you're like, this is easy. I can multiply a multi-digit number by a one-digit number. By all means, do so. You can go ahead and do all 3 of them if you want to. I don't I'm going to go ahead and start working this out myself. So we have 153 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21, so put the 2 there, 1 here. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2, 36, 37. So put plus 3, and then 7. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,071. Now, we do together. 517 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1, that's 14. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. I place 10 down here because there is nothing else for me to put over here in my problem to multiply 2 by. So I am done. So 517 times 2 is 1,034. Now, you do 664 times 4. Now, I am not going to say anything. I'm just going to work this out. Pause it if you have not done this yet. Find the product of 664 times 4, and then you'll play the video and I will work it out. So 664 times 4 is 2,656. That is your product. So here are our problems. We're multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number, and our products are 1,071, 1,034, and 2,656. So let's recap. We just completed part of GSE 5, NBT 5. Fully multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm or other strategies demonstrating understanding of multiplication up to a 3-digit by 2-digit factor. So what we did was multiplying by 1-digit numbers. Very easy. That's why the video was so short. Fabulous. I love it. Love you guys. See you next video. We're going to go ahead and bump it up a notch. And we're going to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. Oh yes, that's what we're going to do. Love you.